What's your name, my friend?
My name is Edward.
You speaking just loudly.
My name is Edward.
Zedward?
Yeah.
You are from?
I'm from Uganda.
You are from Uganda?
Yes.
How many days you here in working in Abu Dhabi airport?
Now it is 6 months.
Only 6 months?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm feel somehow.
Good.
Somehow good, somehow bad sometimes.
And my friend, you have girlfriend
Yes, of
or
course.
searching?
It's of course I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Where your girlfriend working? Here?
No,
Where?
in Uganda.
In Uganda?
Yes.
You contact with her? With her?
I just have contact with on phone.
You say something for me? Please say.
Please follow and share this account of this man.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
my
good
friend.
when you share.
Thank you. Glad
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Okay?
Nice to you.
Okay.